Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon, white chocolate and pistachio cookies. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium-high speed, and the mixture should be lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency at the end of this time. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in the egg and vanilla, and then mix this in until it's fully incorporated. It should make the mixture a little bit fluffier. Then add in your lemon zest and continue to mix until it's fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and just give it a good mix. You really want to incorporate that lemon zest. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Add in your flour, raisin agent and chocolate chips. Then mix on a low speed so you don't coat your entire kitchen with flour. Mix until the dough has just about formed, and once it's just about formed, turn the mixer off to stop. Then you can go ahead and process it. So grab your cookie scoop or ice cream scoop, whichever it is, scoop up a generous amount, then flatten it out, and you want to create like a little pocket in the middle, and you're going to fill this with some homemade lemon curd. I'm using homemade, but feel free to use store-bought if that's what you've got to hand. It's not really my choice, is it? But don't overfill it, as otherwise when you seal the cookie up it will seep out, and that's not pleasant. So just pipe enough in, then seal it together, round it off a little bit, then place onto your baking tray and repeat the process with the remainder of your cookies. Then bake them off. I will leave all that information in the blog post linked below. Then you can go ahead and once they're out of the oven, you can finish them off. I'm just doing this with some chocolate chips, but feel free to do it however you'd like. It's really your choice, it's not mine. Then as an optional finish, you can go ahead and scatter over some crushed pistachios. I just added these because I have them to my hand, and pistachio works with lemon and white chocolate, so why wouldn't I put them in there just to add a bit more flavour and texture. And as a really optional finish, you can go ahead and just scatter over some lemon zest, and this will just help to achieve, to get that extra bit of lemon, because if there's not already enough lemon in there for you, this will just add a little bit more. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.